These bird gangs are dangerous. I don't know what's going on anymore. They're trying to take over the city. They're trying to take over the area. I'm thinking about moving. I'm packing up. I got to get all my clothes together so I can get out of Dodge, man. These are some dangerous birds, man. I don't know what gang they belong to, but I'm sure it's a bird gang, man. These birds are incredible, man. Coming to your neighborhood. Be afraid. This isn't like Alfred Hitchcock's movie. These birds are dangerous, man. Coming to a neighborhood near you. Bird gang!